Alright, Deal Doggers, Derek here. Today I'm going to walk you through real quick on when you're a Core or a Core Plus member, how you get in and get to all of your leads and all your buyers lists and everything like that. So let's jump right into it here. So you're going to jump into calculator.dealdogcrm.com. Okay, so you can get there from the main website as well. But then you want to come to this page and you'll click on your DealDog user and you can enter your email that you signed up with, okay? And that will get you into the system. So now you can, here's the calculator, of course, so you can enter some deals and then submit those for matching. And you can enter, click on the buyers tab, you can enter buyers, and remember you can have the manual entry where you manually enter everything, or you can copy and paste or upload a file in here and the AI will help you parse it out and submit it to the system. Straightforward and easy. And of course the AI analyzer, where you can analyze any deal by copying and pasting it. The AI will help you as well. Get all the information you need to submit it to the system, and then it'll email you back a breakdown of the analysis. So yeah, so that's pretty much it when you get in there. Now that when you enter your buyers and your deals, now when you want to go and see your buyers and your matches and things like that, you go to the Pro dashboard up here to the right. So we're going to click on that, and then again you're going to sign in here. I'm going to pause real quick and then get signed in, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so now we're back. We're in the dashboard, and you can see on the overview, shows you your deals, your buyers, how many deals this month, matches. So this is my test account here, so there's not a lot in here, but of course you can access back to the calculator through here. You can click on the deals tab and see the deals that you have in the system. Click on each one. It shows you usually a better breakdown, probably just because there's not much information on that one. But let's see here, let's go back. Gives you all the information that was entered on it and stuff there, and then you can see your buyers that are in your system as well. You can go in and get the information that they had. So you can just click through all that like that, and then again, that's where you can come in and see everything. And if you had matches and stuff, you can sort by that. You can go to your deals and you could sort it by your matched and everything, but I don't have any matches in there, so you're not seeing anything sorted. So yeah, so you can separate it out by deal type as well. I think we had a SFR in there, maybe not match, so there we go. So you can see this is where you keep track of everything when you're on the Core and Core Plus plans. Okay, if you want to upgrade and get the full CRM system behind it, that's the Pro plan. So just reach out to me or go back to the website there at DealDogCrm.com and sign up for the Pro plan here. But yeah, that's it. So if you got any questions, reach out to me, Derek at DealDogCrm.com. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.